They just called me. They have a problem with a leak. I think it is in the dishwasher because they are going down to the apartment below, most likely. It is from the old pipes in the Torres Simboria buildings. These generally break due to the passage of water. The years and the acid's busy to uncover it. Yes, we are on our way. The sector was already located. The kitchen was removed. Part of the partition was broken, and we have the surprise broken pipe in sight of the dishwasher. Now to be repaired. Well, the old pipe has been removed. Now we will dedicate ourselves to cleaning the original duct, which is completely clogged with scale, and it seems to me that there is a small crack in the pipe. That is causing, apart from the leak in the pipe, another leak in the pipe. That is broken. Indeed. When cleaning the tube and removing all the tartar that was stuck to it, to leave the tube free to evacuate, we realized that there is a crack or a thinning of the wall. The problem is that this type of tube cannot be replaced. It just has to be repaired because it is original to the building. So we are going to proceed with the repair. In this specific case, a mixture was made with liquid steel, completely recovering the tube, leaving it as the original. The liquid steel tube is the best we could use for this type of repairs. After the process of removing scale, repairing breaks, installing new pipe, the water test is carried out to ensure that there is circulation and that there is no leak in the system. For this purpose, a little Nova towel is also placed under the pipe so that it detects any drop. Because if it doesn't exist, it wouldn't be able to look good. The test was carried out with a good result. We don't have any leaks. So we leave the video here and continue reassembling the partition and assembling the kitchen. Thank you.